Hey y'all, welcome to another video. I just wanted to pop on here real quick because I kind of made an impulsive purchase. So yes, this is a Ipart wig that you technically don't need leave out. Although I will warn you, in this video I did have a small tiny leave out because I was rushing heading out the door, so I felt more comfortable with the leave out. I purchased this with my own money. It's from ilikehair.com. It was really easy to purchase, and basically it came in less than a week. And again, because I just purchased it on my own, they didn't know who they were sending this to. So yeah, I love the packaging. It's giving very much royal and sophisticated. I love the bold colors, the orange and the black, or it's really blue, orange and blue. And I'm just going through the box, seeing what's in here. I had a shower cap, a rat tail comb, all things that you need anyway. So I did get this as free gifts. I believe the free gifts comes with every unit you purchase with them. So yeah, this is kind of a standard gift that you get. This is a shower cap, a really nice one, satin on the outside and plastic on the inside, and just opening it up and seeing how the quality is, and it's really nice. I've used it a couple of times already. It does have a wig cap, although I didn't even use it at all, so yeah. And it came with a couple of duckbill clips. There you go. That's some tweezers, which I did not use, and duckbill clips, and that is a gel brush with the comb on the end. So yeah, I didn't use any of those, so yep, good to have in my stash of stuff. And this is the wig, guys. I really like it. Fresh out the box. It didn't have any like distinct smell to it or anything. It was well packaged, and the curls, they were really nice right outside the box, but I did go in and co-wash it right after, and I hung it to dry for about 2 hours. I was leaving out the door to a little event at that time, so I was kind of in a rush, so I did not record co-washing it. But this is the wig fresh out the box, and you see the parting, that little I-tip, or you know, the little, it looks like a U part, but it's really not. It's like a V, to be honest with you. So I'm just showing it. It does have the, you know, elastic band in the back to fit closer to your head. It did have combs all throughout, right there in the IV part of the wig, at the top of the wig, and a couple of combs all around the wig. And then it has the elastic cap. So there you go. So here I am in my bathroom trying to hurry up and get ready to head out the door. I was already running a little late, and my children are once again, you know, single mom life. But anyway, they're asking me questions and all that stuff while I'm trying to focus and put this wig on correctly. I noticed that without tightening the band in the back as adjustable, it was way too big for my head, and my head is like a small medium head. I don't really have a big head at all, so I had to make adjustments in the back. Now I did leave out a little bit, tiny bit of my hair. The rest of my hair was kind of pulled back into two little pigtails that I braided down a little bit. It's not neat at all, nothing to even show really. I tried to put the parting really close, and I clipped the combs in best I could, and I wasn't doing the best job when I first put it on, but I realized at that time I just did not have it close enough to clip onto my head, so I had to do a little bit of adjustment. and you see that the curls are really clumped together because I had just picked it up off. I had it hanging up on my door drying, so I'm just trying to fit it on my head. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of awkward putting it on at first, but your girl got the hang of it, and I left, like I said, a little bit of leave out in the front of my head. I just didn't leave. You don't have to necessarily leave any hair out, but I went ahead and I left it out because I didn't want to have any mishaps heading out the door at that time. So the next time I do rock this hair, I will not be having any leave out of my own hair, because I feel like I need to test that theory, because the purpose of this wig is to not have any leave out, and the part is supposed to look as natural as if you did have leave out, but it looks super natural. It looked like my hair, essentially, once I had it completely fixed and ready. So yeah, just enjoy, guys, and see me kind of finagle this wig to look like my natural hair. And it is a beautiful unit, guys. It was very affordable, came quickly, the customer service is pretty awesome, and again, I purchased this with my own money, so they didn't know who I was and if I were going to even do a review. But I felt that, you know, all of the reviews that I seen online on YouTube at the time, they were all sponsored, and I really wanted to get an honest view for you guys. And there's me getting the hair stuck in my head. So yeah, I'll shut up so y'all can watch the rest of what I'm doing in this video. Yep, I had to yank that sucker all the way off and adjust the back strap. Yuck. That was really nice. A piece of hair got in my mouth. But yeah, I was just readjusting the back to fit my medium head. And yeah, so it'll be placed properly now. Getting somewhere. And yes, guys, when I finally got the wig positioned correctly on my head, where, you know, it felt snug, it felt secure. I'm just trying to fix my leave out and all that stuff. You can see my leave out, my hair is this curl pattern, my natural hair, but in the front, because I have done like middle part sew-ins and things of that nature, I have heat damage in the middle part of my hair. And so you can see the roots really do resemble, after I get everything situated, the roots of my hair really do resemble the actual texture of the unit. But because I have so much heat damage on those little strands of hair going down the shaft of the hair, yeah, go ahead and pay that no mind. I didn't even care. I mean, it still looked cute. Not everybody has the same curl pattern all through their head, but the root of my hair, it did match for the majority of the texture of the hair. So yeah, I finally got it together. You see my hair texture is not all the same, but it still looked really, really wonderful, and I am happy with this wig. So yeah, go ahead and enjoy the rest of the video, and if you have any questions regarding this unit in particular, just ask below. And also, I have the wig linked below. Being that this video is not sponsored, I will reach out and ask to see if I can get some type of discount code for you guys if y'all did want to purchase the unit. I do recommend, especially if this is like an in-between hairstyle. I'm getting braids soon. Again, that's like my go-to protective style. But in between, if I wanted to wear my hair like this, the natural curly texture, and I don't want to do a full-blown wash and go, especially in the wintertime, you don't want to be walking outside with your hair damp, and we ain't doing all that. So this is a great alternative to a full-blown wash and go. Wonderful. So yeah, this is me fixing it up, and I will go ahead and fix the rest of my leave out and see the finished look.